In general terms, 2014 was a good year, both in levels of transactions and in property gains. The lettings market also saw a number of new tenants, particularly those corporate relocation tenants looking for executive homes in the area. I'd like to congratulate my team here at Roberts Newby, whose hard work and dedication has led to us winning Best Customer Service in this year's Sunday Times Awards. So my thanks and best wishes to them for a fantastic achievement. The changes in stamp duty introduced by the government in early December created some excitement in the market and resulted in my team having some interesting discussions with buyers, particularly those purchasing above £1 million. As is often the case, with any change there is always some uncertainty. My view is the removal of the various stamp duty bans and the introduction of an incremental tax system removes a lot of the psychological barriers associated with those price bands, and as such I feel generally it's a positive thing. Although buyers in the higher price ranges are now paying more stamp duty, there are more buyers during December at 1.5 and above than there were in the previous months, which just goes to prove that invariably when people think it's the time to buy, it really is the time to buy. We have seen the level of house price increases slow slightly. This is very much in line with Rightmove and Halifax and some of the other statistical sites that monitor house prices, where perhaps we're seeing vendors' expectations fitting in a little bit more with buyers' reality. My view is I don't think interest rates are going to rise anytime soon. I appreciate that unemployment is low and the UK economy is growing, but I still think there's an elusive feel-good factor out there, and as such that's the reason I don't believe interest rates will rise, this being good news potentially for the property market. May 2015 will see the general election, and although I think at this stage it is too close to call, it will create some uncertainty in the market. The hot potato, of course, being the mansion tax, and each party has their own view and policy on this, and some will undoubtedly wait for the outcome of the election, where others perhaps will take a more bullish view and actually might see this as a great time to buy. My prognosis of the year is one of optimism. Although 2015 may not be the greatest of years, I think it's going to be a very good year. I think we're going to see more levels of buyers, particularly those from London, moving out into the home counties and making that lifestyle choice. And with the demand and lack of supply, I still think there's going to see a rise in house prices. With interest rates remaining relatively low, that's also going to have a very positive effect. Here are some of the wonderful homes that we have on the market during January. So on behalf of all of us here at Roberts Newby, a very happy new year, and we look forward to being of assistance to you during 2015.